Hello and welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare these coconut cookies. Let's go to check the recipe. So this is a very easy recipe and we need just 3 ingredients. Then the vanilla essence is optional, so to start we will beat the egg with the sugar. We need to beat it very well. And now I will add the vanilla aroma or essence, 1 teaspoon, or a little drops if you have a liquid vanilla essence. Now the grated coconut, and that's it. We need to beat until we have something like this. Now I will continue with a spoon. This is the consistency that we need, and I will prepare a little balls like this. You can put a little bit of water in your hands and your finger so it doesn't stick. And now I'm going to put non-stick paper in a baking dish, and I'm going to put the coquitos here, and you can make like 15 cookies or coquitos with these ingredients. Now I will cook in a preheated oven 180 degrees with the heat up and down 10 minutes. Exactly in 10 minutes we will have already these cookies, coconut cookies, and you can see they are golden outside and ready to eat, and they are really easy to prepare. Can prepare really quickly also, and very tasty with coconut taste. And these are cookies typical from Argentina. The name is coquito, and I will show you now inside so you can check. Tender inside and crispy outside. And you know, if you like the video, please thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you next recipe.